Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, we're gonna upgrade our pickled onions and we're gonna add some mango. As you may see, today's video is about pickled onion with some mangoes. Well, I got here 7 onions. Red onion, you're gonna cut it julienne, just like you may see. I remove the head of the onion if it's too hard. Yeah, just remove it. It's just easier. And now you're gonna got some juliennes or slices of the onions, like you may see. Carefully with your fingers and just with a little of patience. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna continue here, cutting it until we are done. Look, that's it. Now we got some lime. I got four pieces here. Just cut it, squeeze them on top of your onion and start mixing it a little bit. Just as you may see in video, just like that, quite easy. You can of course adapt the quantities later on, depending on the taste you like or how many use does the limes have. This is a very flexible recipe. Just right now it's time for our mango. We're gonna peel it off. I'm gonna start with the first half of the mango. At the end I will use it whole, but I'm gonna show you just with the first half of the mango. Just peel it up, cut it, and now you're also gonna cut it small stripes of mango. It just the size is just an eatable size, just the same size of the onion, just around, and also thickness is just around the same of the onion. Yeah, don't make it too big, and of course if you can do it smaller, it's just or thinner, it's just also fantastic. Yeah, just like that, just carefully cut it. Yeah, look, that's the idea. Yeah, now I'm gonna speed it up. As I say, I use the whole mango. Yeah, now we're gonna add some Italian herbs to our bowl. Yeah, it's around 1 tablespoon Italian herb, salt, pepper. It's a very nice to prepare it with some spicy, but I don't use it spicy because my daughter and my wife. Yeah, I'm gonna add some that is the vinegar. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar, yeah, just like that, and just now mix it, and then after 10-20 minutes just taste it to check the salt. Maybe you may need to add a little bit of salt, maybe not, it depends on the taste. Yeah, just now it's time, just like that, mixing every 10-15 minutes, mix it a little bit, place it on the jars and just leave it. After 2 hours you are able to eat it because it will have the nice color and the sourness on the sauce. But if you leave it over the night on the fridge, it's just fantastic. You will see the change of the color of it. It's just very, very, very nice how it add a little bit of color to your salads, yeah, or to maybe to top a steak. It's just a very nice idea. Yeah, I got a regular recipe from this one, but without the mango, and also this one. And just like that, after the night, just the next day you add some veggies to a dish, just like this, and some salad, some cucumber, tomatoes, avocado, and just top it, and you got the topping, the color, and the dressing in one plate, in one part. Yeah, like yeah, look the color we have right now. That's our color. Yeah, we are gonna top our salad with it. And after that we're gonna use the dressing with the same jar. So thank you very much. If you like the video, hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Thank you very much and enjoy it.